Unit 2 School Around the World. Look at the picture. Where are they from? Are they from Australia, Thailand, or Malaysia? Guess. Write your guess in your notebooks. Amaroo is from. Listen and check. Amaroo's Special School. Amaroo. Hi. My name is Amaroo. I'm 12 years old. My school is special. There isn't a library, but I love to read. There isn't a football field, but my brother and I love to play football. There is a field for the cows. We play football there. There are some kangaroos in the paddock. There is a bathroom, of course. It's in our house. There aren't any classrooms. Can you guess where I live? I live in Australia. My brother and I study online over the internet in Australia. Vocabulary. Special. Special. Library. Library. Football field. Football field. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Paddock. Paddock. Bathroom. Bathroom. Guess. Guess. Live. Live. Australia. Australia. Over. Over. Vocabulary. Special. Special. Library. Library. Football field. Football field. Field for the cow. Field for the cow. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Paddock. Paddock. Bathroom. Bathroom. Of course. Of course. Guess. Guess. Live. Live. Australia. Australia. Over. Over.